Welcome to the very first episode of Latest IFAT Travel News. I'm Ada with Infinity Fun and Travel, and this is the show where we skip the doom and gloom and bring you only the good news from the world of travel. New ships, new flights, beautiful places, and stories that will make you smile. Let's dive in. First up, huge news from Carnival. Carnival has unveiled Carnival Destiny, the first ship in its next-generation Ace class. She will be the most outward-facing megaship ever built, with over 4.5 acres of glass, walls of windows, and more than 70% brand-new venues on board. Destiny debuts in the summer of 2029, sailing the Caribbean, the Bahamas, and Mexico, with 2 sister ships to follow. Next, how about watching a total solar eclipse from the deck of a cruise ship? Virgin Voyages just announced 3 Eclipse cruises. Valiant Lady sails 15 nights from Portsmouth to Iceland this August. Scarlet Lady sails 12 nights round trip from Rome. And Resilient Lady chases the 2027 eclipse from Barcelona. Cabins start around $3,500. Talk about a once-in-a-lifetime view. In airline news, Delta is launching the first ever nonstop flights between Los Angeles and Manila in the Philippines. Daily service starts March 28, 2027 on the Airbus A350. That makes Delta the only U.S. carrier connecting LA and Manila nonstop. Wonderful news for families and for anyone dreaming of the Philippines. Here's a comeback story 30 years in the making. The legendary Coco Palms Resort on Kauai, where Elvis filmed Blue Hawaii, has been closed since Hurricane Iniki in 1992. Now the project has secured $431 million in financing, and Coco Palms will finally return as a Kimpton resort and spa. Aloha, old friend. Welcome back. And for your feel-good story of the week, the Four Seasons resorts on Lanai in Hawaii now offer complimentary tours of the Lanai Cat Sanctuary, 4 acres of paradise that is home to over 700 rescued cats. The sanctuary has rescued more than 1,800 cats since 2014, and over 1,000 of them have found forever homes. Yes, you can hand feed them, and yes, it is every bit as adorable as it sounds. And now, this week's rapid fire round. Club Med has broken ground on a brand new resort in St. Croix. The new Andaz Turks and Caicos is officially taking reservations. American Airlines launches Chicago to Tokyo service in March. St. Thomas is welcoming a record number of American travelers. And the Museum of Ice Cream just opened in Las Vegas. Sweet. And that's your good news for this week. Now, if one of these stories got you dreaming, here's your next step. Book your free discovery call at infinityfunandtravel.com. Just click Book a Discovery Call. It's free, it's friendly, and there's no pressure. Or call me at 855-229-5723, extension 1, and I'll handle every detail. I'm Ada Janasic, travel advisor with Infinity Fun and Travel. Subscribe and ring that bell for more good news from the world of travel. Dream big, travel well, and I'll see you next week.